Here I have KRUGER Matz Live 7 and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Let's find and select the settings. Here let's scroll down and let's choose here system. From the following options, let's choose the languages and input, the first option, and here you can choose the languages from the top of the screen. As you can see right now, I'm using English from United Kingdom, but in order to change language, let's choose add a language, and here you can find the whole list of available languages. In my case, let me find and select Espanol from España, for example, and now if you would like to use the Spanish version, let's place Espanol into the first position, and right now the whole list of settings and also apps are in Spanish. So that's it, everything went well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.